This is going to be a quick demonstration on how to create a Google site. This is the Google homepage at google.com. If you were to just type in up here in the top, sites.google.com, it would take you right over to how to create a web page. You can also just simply go to More and drop down and choose Sites, and it'll take you right over to one of the coolest things for creating a website. Very easy, very simple to do. All you need to have is a Google account. So once you get to this page, you most likely have to sign in just to activate Google Sites on your account. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this page. Just click Create a Site. It'll ask you what kind of website you want to create. Now, to me, it's simply creating a blank template and then going from there is probably the easiest. But you'll see that now they have templates available, like you create a wiki, a family site for your personal use. Teachers sometimes use this classroom site, so forth and so on, and you can browse the gallery for so many more templates. It's really simple just to create one from a blank template. The hardest thing here is to create a site with a name that hasn't been used yet. Typically in a classroom setting, we like to just name it your last name underscore maybe period one. You can see just underneath it that your site will be located at this web address, URL web address. Last name P1 is what the name of the site will be. Sometimes those are available, sometimes they're not. It really depends. So try to be original and try to make it something your teacher can understand. Underneath this, you can choose a theme. There are so many new themes. I think there's 50, and you can scroll down and see there's different color palettes and all sorts of things. So you can kind of choose things, some that are fun, like this treehouse or sunset, or just stay simple. It really doesn't matter. It really just depends on the theme that you're looking for, depending on what project you're using. So for kicks, I'll go ahead and use this ship shape. Down underneath it, under more options, this is where you could add a site description. This is really just for having people find you. So you could say my web page for a classroom project. Underneath here, everyone in the world can see this site. That means it's nobody has to be signed in. Anybody can just kind of just search or type in the web address for your site. If you really want to limit that, maybe to only family or only to kids in your class, you can click only people I specify. Now here where it says mature content, most likely you will not check that, and I certainly don't recommend it. This last thing here, as you may know, is called a CAPTCHA. You just simply have to figure out what it says, and this hopefully is the right thing, and you just hit create a site. Now, looks like I didn't do that right. EPELIN. And that goes on for days sometimes. And there we go. Now there's your page. It's as simple as that.